Hello, thanks for watching this video. Let's start how to adjust ROCOS R0139. First, it is not a screw-down crown. Just pull out the crown, and then rotate it directly to manually wind up the watch. Time setting. Pull out the crown to position 2, and then rotate it to set time. Date setting. Pull out the crown to position 1 and then counterclockwise rotate it to set date. When the hour hand passes 24 hours, the date will change to next day. Thus, you can set the correct time. How to remove the watch band links. Find the correct position A, place the strap on the remover, align the push rod with the pin of the strap, and remove extra strap links as needed. Tips: when you remove the strap links, the push rod needs to align the position A of the pin, so that it can be removed. If you align the position B of the pin, it will get stuck. Last, put the pin from A to B into the hole, and reassemble the dismantled strap. Tips: the removed links are recommended to be stored